Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I'm Nicole Chantell, and if you like everything beauty, and now that we're in October, if you like everything Halloween, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button and become a part of my makeup family. With all that being said, let's jump right into this video. So hello my ghosts and ghouls. Today I'm going to be turning myself into a vampy vampire. Really feeling this like kind of old school shirt. This is what's giving me the vampy vampire vibes. So let's jump right into this tutorial. So first I'm going to go in with the Tarte Hydrocealer in the shade Porcelain, and I'm going to be priming my eyes with this.
Yeah. They was sleeping, they was snooze on me. I was dreaming about what food to eat. Why they sleeping, why they snoozed on me. I was seasoned.
Now to set a base for my eyeshadow, I am going to go in with the Maybelline New York Color Strike Cream to Powder Eyeshadow Pen in the shade number 15, which is called Tent. And I'm just taking that shade and I'm just blending it and letting it fade right into my crease. Next, I'm going to go in with the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill 2 palette. And I'm going to be using these 6 shades right here in the corner.
You never had a chance like an abortion. You don't want to play with me to forfeit. Oh shit, took it to a place that never thought he could. Now the lone wolf is hounding up in Bollywood. Now I got some confidence, they call me cocky. But you fucking tiger in the eye, I feel like Rocky. I am untouchable, I cannot fuck with you. I do not follow rules, makes me uncomfortable. I got all this passion and desire, force my path with the fire. Never passive, I acquire till I'm crashing your empire. They was sleeping, they was snooze on me. I was dreaming about what food to eat. Why they sleeping, why they snoozed on me. I was seizing opportunity. Now they don't know what to do with me. I keep going hard like I'm in puberty. Rebellions in my blood, there ain't no ruling me. Coming for the top, this is a mutiny.
Now for my foundation, I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. Flawless Finish Foundation in the shade Pearl. Now to contour my face, I am going to go in with Benefit's Hoola bronzer. And I'm going to take the bronzer and go up really high to make my cheekbones look super high.
Yeah. They was sleeping, they was snooze on me. I was dreaming about what.
Now I'm just going to go ahead and contour the nose.
Snoozed on me. I was seizing opportunity. Now they don't know what to do with me. I keep going hard like I'm in puberty. Rebellions in my blood, there ain't no ruling me. Coming for the top, this is a mutiny.
Now I'm going to take the Hoola bronzer again, and I'm going to put this underneath my brow bone to give my eyes a diffused look. Now I'm going to go back in with the Maybelline Color Strike Cream to Powder Eyeshadow in Tempt, and I'm going to be applying this to my lower lash line.
Now I got some confidence, they call me cocky. But you fucking tiger in the eye, I feel like Rocky. I am untouchable, I cannot fuck with you. I do not follow rules.
Now I'm going to go back in with the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette, and I'm going to go in with the shade Crazy. And I'm just going to take this and apply this to my lower lash line, and I'm almost like doing a kind of a messy line, really not overly even.
They don't know what to do with me. I keep going hard like I'm in puberty.
Now I'm going to go back in with Benefit's Hoola bronzer, and I'm just going to buff that over just to blend it into my skin and give it more of a diffused look.
Don't know what to do with me.
Now just for some inner corner highlight, I am going to go in with Benefit's highlighter in Cookie. Now for winged liner, I'm going to go in with Rimmel London's Wonder Wing Liner. Now I'm just going to go ahead and draw a little cross just to give it a bit of a more of a vampire feel.
Sleeping there with snooze on me. I was dreaming about what food.
Now for lips, I don't have a black lip liner, so I'm going to go in with the Colourpop Cream Gel Liner in Swerve.
They don't know what to do with me. I keep going hard like I'm in puberty.
And I'm going to go in with NYX Cosmetics, and this is the matte lipstick in the shade Cold Brew.
Yeah. They was sleeping, they was snooze on me. I was dreaming about what food to eat. Why they sleeping, why they snoozed on me? I was seizing opportunity. They don't know what to do with me. I keep going hard like I'm in puberty. Rebellions in my blood, there ain't no ruling me. Coming for the top, this is a mutiny. I want percentage, yeah. Put you in your mind like fuck your dinners, yeah. You never had a chance like an abortion. Broken, you don't wanna play with me, that's